welcome to the Shining Xerneas. But as you may notice of right now, I am not in the usual spot. And I even have a puppy right here, which isn't even my puppy, which is why I'm here. It's my friend Dominic's salute birthday, or you guys might know him as MythaKalos. So we decided to give him a little present, and he's going to be unboxing it today to share with you guys. Take him away, MythaKalos.
Hey guys, MythaKalos here. Hello.
Hello.
So today we're gonna be unboxing the Volcanion full art box, full art promo box.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Let's get to it. So this is it out of the box. Get rid of the box right now. Don't
Yeah.
Remember
to recycle that.
Okay, here we go. I'm getting all the promos out to show you guys. But yeah, and I also have a code card for you guys. But first of all, here's the first mythical Volcanion full art.
Ooh.
Say hi.
Hi. It looks much better
when you have
reality than it does on camera.
Yeah. Here's Jirachi. I thought it was gonna be Jumanji, like that movie. Okay, this is Victini.
The victory of everything, because it's a victory Pokemon.
This is Keldeo. And this is my favorite mythical. Celebi. Okay, and then we have one more.
What's last?
This is Darkrai.
Ooh.
And you can see how sick the artwork is right here, the red and blue. So it's basically Pokemon Y and Pokemon X. Okay, so here's the code card.
Upside down.
Yeah, upside down. Okay.
Ooh. That looked cool. I should have done that for my channel. Dang it.
Okay. Here is the Pokemon Evolutions, our first booster pack. There's actually 5. I can't get the... Okay, here it is. Wait, Collide.
Ooh, that one has a Zygarde 100% on it.
Another Evolutions. This is my favorite booster pack that's in here.
Ooh, the Golden Xerneas. What is that?
What is that? And let's get to the Evolutions unboxing. Okay, first of all, gotta get this. Okay, there we go.
Alright, let's see them.
Here's your code card.
Upside down again.
So hard to get those right. You gotta do the card trick. Here we go.
We got a Haunter, a Pokédex, a Magikarp. Ooh, a cool looking Electabuzz, a Rattata, a Growlithe, a Nidoran male. Ooh, the Reverse Hollow Super Potion, and a Beedrill.
It's not the best, but I'll still take it.
Yeah.
Still take it. I mean, it's better than a stinking another Magikarp.
I mean, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's gonna get you.
It's a creepy one, that's for sure.
Creepy.
Here we go.
That's just handwork. Alright, let's see it. So right here we have a Tangrowth, a Fletchinder, a Driftbloom,
that's a Kalos
Oshawott.
region. A Driftbloom's a Kalos region. I forgot about that.
Oshawott, Sneasel,
Which you saw today on Pokemon.
Seedot, Driftbloom.
Another Driftbloom?
It's
no, wait, that's
the pre-evolution of it. Apom. Ooh, the Reverse Hollow Pyroar, and what's it gonna be? Huh. I was really hoping for a different one. It's slugs! Slugs!
But the prior here, I'm gonna put that to the back. That one's a pretty cool one. Okay.
Woo!
Another evolution. You literally need to be Superman to break these things open.
Superman, we'll get some work right on the way. Not even a knife can do it. Jeez, that was tough.
Hey, I got it open.
What?
Okay, let's get on here.
Alright, let's do the special trick.
Where's the card? Hey, don't be peeking.
I'm on to you now. Alright, let's see what we got. We got a trainer card, which a Poliwhirl, a trainer, ooh, a Charizard Spirit Link, a Charmander, Rattata, Caterpie, Magnemite, Voltorb,
Pokeball.
a Reverse Hollow Charmander,
And oh.
Farfetch'd? That seems a little far-fetched.
Yes, it does.
Get it? Because, never mind.
Everybody knows, Darian. They know your life. They stalk you. Okay.
You guys stalk me for my life? How dare you?
They want to kill you.
They want to kill me?
Yes.
Okay, so right here we have the trainer of Scorched Earth, the trainer of Old Amber Aerodactyl, and Wormadam we have. I said a curse word. Cottony, Riolu, Gothita, Winspur, Minccino, ooh, a Reverse Hollow Zygarde, and oh my gosh, we got a Glaceon EX. We got a Glaceon.
Sorry about the pause there. My brother came in and he started going.
But it's okay. We know how to survive, right?
Yep. I have a
What
feeling.
if we don't?
I have a
What
feeling
if
this is gonna be a big, nice Pokemon.
Oh, do you now? I definitely want to see you.
Ba-da-ba-ba.
So we have Bridget, a Stumpfish,
Those
Buddy
things are
Buddy
small.
Rescue, Axew, Elgium, Ghastly, Meowth, Panseer, Reverse Hollow Noibat, and Mega EX! Oh my
And
gosh!
the full art. Look at that full art. Look at that full art.
Dude, let me see. I never got an awesome pull on this on my channel.
Holy. Okay, guys. Put in the subscription before if you put it in the link under if you've ever gotten one of these. If you ever have. This is I've gotten one of these before, except it was just the first, not the full art.
The
Oh my God.
stage 1.
Yeah. Holy crud, though. I mean, look at that. You see that? Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye.
This was an awesome video. Thank you for watching.
And this was Darian.
And we have to show you the cards, don't we? So here we go. The
We
awesome Mega.
The Glalie. The Glaceon. And
A Prior.
Pyroar. Woo!
This is MythaKalos signing off.
And this is the Shining Xerneas sparkling out. We'll see you in the next video.